if you just simply think about your sandwich. There was one guy that made a video years ago of what it took to make a sandwich. What it took, but he's not talking about what it took. Oh, put some lettuce, put some bologna on there, bread, and okay, that's it. No, it's not a menu. He says how he went and actually all the way to the beginning. First, you have to plant the seeds. Why? To make the bread. How many employees it took to plant the seeds, harvest, then take all the stuff out, then grind it, put some seasoning on it, make the dough, sell the dough, another company, another set of employees that are going to have their own system of having this bread packaged, sliced, and go to the store. Then the store has its own set of employees. And they have marketing companies, market this bread. Oh, Wonder Bread, Miracle Bread, that bread, this bread. For what? Why? To get the customer. And the customer arrives. At which store? At that store. But that's only for the bread. What about the meat? Oh, the meat was an animal. And the animal had to be fed a certain way, a certain time, every day, every night. Had to give birth. Had to this. Then eventually get killed. Then you had to slice it. Then you had to give it to the factory. And they have to clean it. And so on and so forth. Then all the way to the store again. With the marketing, with this bread, with that one, with this. Then you have the vegetables. Wait, the vegetables come by themselves? Same thing as the bread. You could go, you put them in the seeds, put them in the ground. There's a couple of guys putting the stuff in with the tractor, without the tractor, breaking their back, not breaking their back, and it goes to the store. And you think that's by itself? How are you going to eat bread and a piece of meat and lettuce? There's no mayo. What, are you crazy? Gotta go with the mayo and the oil and the this and the that. Does it have dairy? It doesn't have dairy. If it's kasher, it cannot have dairy. If it's not kasher, they can have whatever you have. And it has, and it's this bread and it's whip. No, I don't like whip. I like this bread. I like that mayo. I don't like mayo. I like the one that looks like mayo, but it's not really mayo. And I can't believe it's butter. And sometimes it is butter. And all types of things. And it goes in a store. And it goes in a cap. And it goes in a bottle. You have to have marketing. Why? Because the bottle looks this way. And no one wants to buy this bottle. So they have to buy the plastic bottle that goes like this. And then, what? And it arrives on your table. And now, mayo's not enough. I want to have some mustard too, because just for the taste. So you do the same thing, and on and on and on and on. By the time you realize how many thousands of people had to toil and break their back just for you to have a sandwich, you realize, Ishtabach Shimo La'ad, how many miracles have you made for me, just for me to eat? And I don't even mean breakfast, lunch, and dinner. This is just a sandwich. For most people, they eat 2-3 times a day. Did you say thank you? Did I say Birkat Hamazon? I didn't say Birkat Hamazon. Wait, is this motzi? Should I do motzi on this? Can I be mezonot, Rabbi? Why? Because mezonot is a shorter blessing. HaKadosh Baruch Hu sent 15,000 people to make you the sandwich, and you want to shortchange him on the blessing. Busha v'chirpa, when you really think about it. When you really think about it. And that's why the Gemara says someone wants to be healthy, starts the day with bread. Pat shachrit. Why? It's good for your health. Not only your physical health, but your spiritual health. Start your day with a thank you, HaKadosh Baruch Hu, long blessing. Long blessing. Why? I have to remind myself how much HaKadosh Baruch Hu did for me, just for me to eat in the morning. Right. In the morning, you eat bread and you do Birkat Hamazon.
You make the nitilah and you have...
Right. No, after you pray. You're not allowed to eat before you pray. You have to pray first, you have to do Netilat Yadayim, then go pray, put on tefillin, and then you're allowed to eat. Before you put on tefillin, you're not allowed to eat. It's halakha. If you don't put on tefillin till 5 o'clock, then you're not allowed to eat till 5 o'clock. This will encourage everybody to eat, to pray early. All of these guys that pray at 5 o'clock in the afternoon, they put on tefillin. You also know that it's not just the problem that you're praying at 5 o'clock. You're also not supposed to eat. So, point is, Rabotai, is that HaKadosh Baruch Hu makes so many miracles for us, just for us to eat. Just for us to eat. Ishtabach Shimo. But we look for a short change out of it. No, is this mezonot, Rabbi? Why? Because mezonot doesn't have a real long birkat hamazon. It's so short you forget to do it altogether. So now he realizes, look at the system. Look at the system that Borei Barach made for me. Look at the system that HaBa made for me. Look at how many people had to work so I could have a sandwich. Look at how many people had to work so I have cereal. It's good for you to watch the videos. There's 3-4 minute videos when you're in the bathroom, not when you're out of the bathroom. And out of the bathroom you have to learn Torah. So never ever think I'm recommending this stuff for you guys to do instead of learning Torah. But it's good. If you're stuck in a bathroom or stuck in a place that you can't learn Torah, you learn these 3-minute videos, how it's made. Why? To see the creation. See the creation. This stuff you can see in the bathroom. Why? See that there's amazing things. Your sandwich, your food, your this, all types of things that you use day to day. Even soap. You imagine how soap is made, or how butter is made, or whatever you eat, whatever you like. You see the amazing things that take place to make this stuff. You realize how amazing it is that Hashem did all this for me. When you're out of the bed, you learn Torah. But the point, or when it's your break, you could learn it. But the point I'm trying to say is that when a person is sensitive to the creation, he looks at everything differently.